Now let's understand the language of these hormones. What is the language that these hormones speak? Because they are secreted inside our body and our mind and our brain, we need to take care of this entire unit right from head to toe, which creates hormones. The brain also creates, the thyroid also creates, the pancreas also creates, the liver creates, the ovaries create. So if all of these organs are creating hormones for me, is there a different language that these organs speak? थायराइड के लिए अलग कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा, ओवरीज के लिए अलग करना पड़ेगा, ब्रेन के लिए अलग करना पड़ेगा. If someone is telling you that and therefore you are distressed or thinking that this is too complicated, then you are not hearing the truth. If someone is helping you to decode your hormonal health by telling you that hormonal health is very simple, आसान है, कंसिस्टेंसी और डिसिप्लिन की जरूरत है, जो तो हर चीज में लगती है. Yes or no? Right now I am speaking to you through my laptop. I need to take care of my laptop. There has to be a discipline. Has to be a discipline of how I take care of my laptop. That means it should be charged. There should be good light. There should be electricity. There should be some AC for my comfort. There should be charging. ये सब होना चाहिए. Zoom install होना चाहिए. So discipline है ना. तो उसी तरह से hormonal health के लिए भी discipline की जरूरत है. How many of you agree? I want you to put in the chat. If you agree, you can give a thumbs up. How many of you agree that what all I am saying, little you know, you already know, but because you are a busy woman, because you are a modern woman, because you are a intelligent, smart woman who feels that you need to prove it out to the world by working professionally, somewhere you're not able to take care of your hormones, you're not able to be consistent and disciplined. Put a thumbs up. All of you agree that? तो सच्चाई है जो अंदर अपने को मालूम है. Yes or no? बच्चे को मालूम होता है एग्जाम में मार्क्स कम आए, उसका कारण उसको मालूम रहता है. You don't need to tell the child. The child knows what all he put the efforts and where all he did not, and that's why the results. Similarly, all of you who are suffering, whether minor, major, long-standing, या acute, you all know that this is one of the reasons. Now, what if I tell you that, now that you agree that that is, so thank you for writing in the chat. This is very important that first of all we become aware कि मेरे अंदर क्या गड़बड़ है और कहाँ मैं गलत जा रही हूँ. Now you want help, right? You want help to decode these hormones, and that is my responsibility to help you. How can you take care of your hormones naturally? Now again put a thumbs up if I'm asking you a question. How many of you want to learn how to decode the hormonal health or hormonal imbalance by natural ways? How many of you think that is what you want? How many of you want it naturally? Thumbs up डालो. Naturally मतलब no taking pills unless really urgent. No taking pills for scanty bleeding, no taking pills for excessive bleeding, no taking pills for irregular periods, no taking pills even if you do not get periods for 2 months. Working on your hormonal health by changing your lifestyle naturally. Good. Then you are in the right place. You are in the right place because I hate saying this, but then you wouldn't understand, because although I am a gynecologist, which probably you feel a gynecologist का काम है गोलियां देना, मेडिसिन प्रिस्क्राइब करना, टेस्ट करवाना, सोनोग्राफी करवाना, टाइम लिमिट देना कि 3 महीने में आपने प्रेग्नेंट होना चाहिए and all that. Although you feel that is my role is not that. My role is to tell you that, hey girl, you are already a girl, but you are a modern girl, and if you have a challenge like PCOS or fibroid or endometriosis or painful periods or anything else, and you are taking pills for that, then I need to tell you that, hey girl, right now it is okay if you are taking pills, but there is a way wherein you do little changes in what you are doing right now, and you will see a reversal in all the problems, and a day will come where you will be off your pills. You will not go to any gynac. You will conceive when you want to. You will have your periods regularly. Even it will enhance your mood and your sexual desire. and you will be a better person. That's what all of us want. Yes. And none of this plan, इसमें ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है कि प्रोफेशनली हमको सब बंद करके बैठना पड़ेगा because I have to take care of my health now. I am also professionally working right from morning to night. I love my job and I do it because I love it, and nowhere it causes stress to me. How do I do it? By working on my physical body, my hormones, and my mental and emotions. By working on my lifestyle, basically. Towards the hormones, or how to decode the hormones. See, if hormones are produced inside the body, they are produced by all that we put inside the body. The amount of oxygen, the food that we eat. Okay, so food में proteins क्या चल रहा है, carbohydrates क्या खा रहे हैं, vitamins कौन से जा रहे हैं, minerals कौन से जा रहे हैं, ये सब से hormonal molecule बनता है. ठीक है? Now this hormone का molecule, first of all, is the food. Second, also it depends on how much clean are our bodies from inside. Cellular health, cleanliness कैसी है? So when we are not eating good food or when we are not taking care of our health, lot of toxins get accumulated inside the cells. And when these toxins are there, the hormonal secretion नहीं होता है, the body gets disturbed, doesn't understand how to do it because there is a lot of kachra lying inside. So as much as food is important, detox is also very, very important. Cleaning the body from inside is very, very important. All of us take care of our houses so beautifully. We clean our houses, झाड़ू लगाते हैं, साफ सफाई बहुत चकाचक रखते हैं, isn't it? Even our vehicles and all that. But this vehicle, which creates hormones for us, we are not taking care of it. Okay? So food is very important. You have to be really taking care of what are you eating. You can't just keep saying that मेरे को ऑफिस रहता है तो 4 बार चाय आती है तो मैं चाय पी लेती हूँ, सब लोग तो पीते हैं. मैं 2-3 बजे खाना खा लेती हूँ, रात को जाती हूँ 9:30-10 बजे खाती हूँ. So if you keep saying or if you keep doing what you're doing right now, we can't expect a change, right? So we are not going to leave our profession, but we are going to understand little changes will bring major transformations. So that I'll teach you, those little changes. Now this food is not exotic, it is very, very simple. So if you are from the south, you will keep eating your idlis. If you are from the north, you will keep eating your parathas. We are not going to stop idlis, we are not going to stop parathas because it is just not possible not to eat our carbs. So if you have gone on a diet जहाँ पे तुम्हारी रोटी सब्जी दाल चावल बंद कर दिया हो, तो मुझे नहीं लगता आप ज्यादा दिन टिक पाओगी. नहीं हो सकता. We need all that because that is our system, or we love. There is some kind of craving to have roti sabji dal chawal, right? But again, अगर उसमें हम थोड़ा सा डिसिप्लिन डालें, समझे कि कब खाना है, कितना खाना है, कैसे खाना है, किसमें ज्यादा विटामिन्स है, किसमें ज्यादा मिनरल्स है, किसमें ज्यादा प्रोटीन्स है, ताकि वो अच्छा मॉलिक्यूल बने, हेल्दी, जो मुझे ओव्यूलेट करवाए, या अच्छा हार्मोनल मॉलिक्यूल बने जो मुझे रेगुलर पीरियड्स दे, गुड अमाउंट ऑफ ब्लीडिंग लाए. So one is food. Second, timings. Very important. Very, very important. There is a time when the sun comes up, right? कभी देखा है कि सूर्य भगवान रात को आ गए, शाम को आ गए, सनराइज रात को हुआ, शाम को हुआ. अभी तुमको हंसी आ रही है and I speak like this. But really think about it. Why is there a cyclical rhythm out there in the nature? There is a reason. Similarly, एक cyclical rhythm हमारे अंदर भी चलता है. हमको मालूम ही नहीं है, हमको किसी ने सिखाया ही नहीं है. The sad part of it is in schools we are taught 1 + 1 = 2 and all that, and all of you are smart and know so many things. But the cyclical rhythm inside our body, which affects hormonal secretion, nobody has taught us. Shouldn't you think it is time that you learn it? So that then you learn it, you incorporate it all your life, you teach your children, you teach your लड़कियां, बहुएं, जो भी आएगी पूरी फैमिली को, ताकि we women understand that there is a cycle inside and we need to listen to that cycle. क्योंकि साइकिल के हिसाब से हार्मोन्स बनते हैं.